today, let's talk about MD1 problems. So first is, if the steel is strongly deoxidized by the addition of deoxidizing elements, no gas is involved, and the steel is technically called blank because it lies quietly in the molds. So first we have letter A, quenched, B, annealed, C, killed, or D, tempered. So the answer is killed because killed is fully dioxidized steel. When dioxidizing elements like silicon or aluminum are added, they remove oxygen, preventing gas bubbles during solidification. Next is stainless steel generally contain at least blank percent chromium with or without other elements. Letter A, 18, letter B, 16, or letter C, 12, or letter D, 10. So the answer is letter C, because stainless steel must contain at least 10.5% chromium, but in the most engineering references and exams, it's rounded to 12%. So the answer is letter C. Next, what grades of stainless steel are non-magnetic in the annealed condition, although some may become slightly magnetic after cold working? We have first, letter A, ferritic grades, letter B, austenitic grades, letter C, martensitic grades, or D, any of this. So the answer is letter B, austenitic grades, because austenitic stainless like 304 to 316 are magnetic in anneal. So the answer is letter B. So let's move to the next problem. These steels, SAE steels 1006, 1008, 1010, 1015 are the lowest carbon steels of the plain carbon type and are selected where blank is the primary requisite of the user. So we have letter A, strength, letter B, conformability, letter C, ductility, or letter D, durability. So the answer is letter B, because letter B, conformability, is low carbon steels like 1006, 1008, 1010, 1015 are soft and ductile. So next is steel is heated to temperature above the critical range, after which it is cooled in still air to produce a generally fine pearlite structure. The purpose is to promote uniformity of structure and properties after a hot working operation such as forging or extrusion. What was the heat treatment involved? We have letter A, annealing, B, normalizing, letter C, tempering, or letter D, stress relieving. So the answer is letter B, normalizing, because normalizing is done by heating above critical temperature and cooling in air.